Hi there, and welcome to this BRYJ Explainer, where we're going to talk a little bit about intelligent capture and related technologies. My name is Mike Hurley from BRYJ. I'm your host, so let's get started. First of all, we're going to answer three questions in this explainer. What is intelligent capture? How does it work? What are the benefits? But we're going to do this in about 5 or 6 minutes. First of all, what is it? So intelligent capture is software that turns documents into data. It's really that simple. Its goal is to reduce data entry, to save money, improve quality of data, and really automate processes. It works on a bunch of different types of images. Of course, scanned images and faxes are two common types, but you can also take in email messages, faxes from fax servers, PDFs, and phones. Taking a picture from your phone also works. So lots of different types of images. It's more than just OCR. A lot of people refer to this technology as OCR, but it's actually a lot more than that. It takes in, OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition, and intelligent capture includes OCR, includes ICR, which is handprint recognition, barcodes, barcode recognition, 3D, 2D barcodes, as well as checkboxes, which also called optical mark recognition. We can even read and recognize signatures as well. So lots of different technology. It really is more than OCR. Finally, a key component of intelligent capture is machine learning. Machine learning is a part of AI, and it really is the game changer that has really elevated this technology and made it substantially more viable and helping customers save a lot of money. It's known by a bunch of different names. The most common one now is intelligent document processing, IDP. It's also called intelligent data capture, intelligent document capture. Some people even refer to it still as OCR and scanning. That's why we call it intelligent capture. I think that makes the most sense. So how does it work? Intelligent capture really banks on a pipeline to move documents through an entire system. That pipeline starts with the receipt of a document. We take in PDFs and TIFFs and other images from a variety of different devices, scanners and fax machines, email servers, all kinds of different ways. We ingest those images and we hand it off to an enhancement and classification step. We enhance images, which means we despeckle them, we deskew them if they're off on an angle, and we trying to enhance the readability. Then we identify the document type. That's what classification is about. It's about identifying the document type, making sure that we understand what it is so we can move it downstream more effectively. Extraction is the next step, and that's where we look at each field on the form and try to recognize that. Whether it's handprint information, machine print, or a barcode, we're trying to extract those characters and make sure that we can convert that image into data. Sometimes there's low confidence characters or a field will break a rule. In that case, you have a human being verify the information. Verification involves a person going from field to field on those low confidence fields where characters were not read or a rule is broken and making sure they fix them. Final step, and the most important one perhaps, is we want to output that information. That output could be into a system, a database, an enterprise content management system, or a workflow. It can be in a lot of different ways. So that's the entire pipeline. Some key things about that pipeline is we want machine learning to help on the front end in that initial learning stage and in continuous learning over the course of our use of that product over many, many months, maybe perhaps years. And what happens is that continuous learning continues to look at the system all along and make recommendations to you unattended without human intervention to make the system better. Because what we want to do over time is we want to increase the amount of straight-through processing. Straight-through processing is really critical. Some people just call it STP. Straight-through processing is about bringing information from receipt all the way through to output without having any human intervention. And that's how we really save money and improve the quality of our data. So let's move on to what are the benefits. The key benefits are digital transformation, process automation. Process. It's really about improving process speed, improving process quality, improving the data about processes, but we really want to automate and speed up that process dramatically. Costs. We want to reduce cost. As I mentioned in the first slide, reducing data entry costs is really a key goal of intelligent capture. And an important part of reducing the cost is improving the quality of the data through intelligent capture. So those downstream processes where it's much more expensive to correct or key in data, we're handling it on the front end with the technology to really save money. And then finally, we want to improve the user experience. We want to make our customers happy. We want to make them delighted to work with us by allowing them to work in paper or fax or email, whatever's most comfortable to them. You're being a much better partner, much easier to work with, hopefully much stickier as a vendor to them, which will enable your growth, improve sales, and hopefully improve your profitability over time. Quick commercial message. I mentioned I'm Mike Hurley from BRYJ. What we do is we help companies turn documents into data using intelligent capture. Many of the people on our team have been doing it a long time, including myself, for over 25 years. Hopefully you consider this explainer valuable and would like to stay in contact for more explainers. We also have an amazing blog and webinar series that we'd love you to be a part of. You can go to our bryjinc.com website. We'll give you that address right here, bryjinc.com/connect, or just click on the connect menu, or you can send an email to info@bryjinc.com. Thank you so much for attending. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel as well. We look forward to the next webinar and next explainer. Have a great day. Be safe.